Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we're working on the core. We haven't done one of those in quite some time. As usual, preview is going to be right here. No clock on the wall today, so don't bother staring at the wall. We're doing 10 different, no repeat exercises, 25 repetitions per exercise with very minimum breaks between the exercise. That's basically a transition. Nice and easy. Yeah, guys, if you enjoy these type of workouts right here from home, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Having said all that, let's get started with some scissor kicks. Let's get down on the ground. Follow my cues, follow my tempo, all right? Ready? 1, 2, 3, legs out, and we're going for 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Just 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stay right here. My favorite name of all time, Crunchy Frog. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I should rename this Crunchy Knees, but it's called Crunchy Frog. 5. Maybe that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you're new here, my counting can be relatively suspect at times. I do the best that I can. I think we're at 15, so let's do 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, lay back down, drop down on the ground for some crunches, classic crunches. Hands behind your head and let's go. 1, do that pull on your neck. 2, keep it up. 3, 4, 5. Arms are there for extra resistance, not to help you to the crunch. Keep it up. That's 10. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're at 20. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. Stay right here. Don't move. Don't move. We're not getting up yet. We're not getting up for any reason today. We're doing core. 25 sit-ups. Ready? 1. I don't care what you do with your arms. You can put them behind your head. You can have them over your head. You can have them right here. You can pretend you're winching yourself up and down, reeling yourself in, reeling yourself down, up and down. Do whatever you want. We're 5 sit-ups in. 6 now. Keep it up. Boom. 7, 8, 9, 10. Believe me, this exercise, these builds over time. It might seem easy right now, but it builds over time. 13, 14. That's what I'm going with. I'm going 14. I'm going 15. That leaves us 10 more. Let's do 10 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2. One more. 1. All the way down. All right, we're flipping over. Nice and easy mountain climber. Ready? We're not running. We're doing it nice and slow. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Give me a good plank. 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full extension on those legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, lay back down on the ground. On your stomach. Arms back. Legs up. Hold it and flutter kick. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Flip on over. The old communist twist, better known as the Russian twist. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, keep it up. 7, 8, stay with me. 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. Boom. Stay right here. Classic exercise coming up. Bicycles. Ready? Right down here. I'm just going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. Stay right here. No reason to move now. We're lazy. We're just gonna do some reverse crunches. Ready? Let's bring those legs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 15 more, and then one more exercise after this, and we are done. 3, 4, 5, 10 more. 10. Come on. 9. Let's go. 8, 7, 6, almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs out, legs up. Ready? 1. Last exercise, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5. Get those butts off the ground. 6, 7, 8. Keep it up. 9, 10. 1. Butts off the ground. Push it. 2, 3. I'm working hard. Come on, you're working hard. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. 5 more. We got this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one, and 5. That's it, guys. That concludes our 250 repetition core workout. Done right here from home. No equipment necessary. All you have to do is drop down on the ground, in the living room, in the dining room, in the bedroom, in the bathroom. Doesn't really matter. Thanks for joining me today, Fit After 50. Once again, this was our core workout. Don't forget, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday for almost 6 years running right now, guys. Thanks for being part of the club, and I'll see you during the next workout.